good afternoon. You're watching the headlines with me. I'm Deepavali Hazra. The Nifty benchmark index slipped below the 10,000 mark for the first time in 2 years on Thursday morning. The domestic markets plummeted following a sell-off in global markets after the United States announced a temporary travel ban from Europe in order to fight the spread of the coronavirus pandemic. Analysts had already been gauging the chances of major economies entering recession in the past few weeks due to the coronavirus outbreak. In a press briefing on Wednesday, the World Health Organization finally declared the coronavirus a pandemic, that is, a disease that affects several parts of the world simultaneously. WHO said it made the decision to term the disease a pandemic after assessing the outbreak around the clock and becoming deeply concerned both by the alarming levels of spread and severity and by the alarming levels of inaction. As 67 people contract the coronavirus in India, the government has suspended all tourist visas till April the 15th. Also, international traffic through land borders will be restricted to designated checkposts with robust screening facilities. The centre has invoked Section 10 of the Disaster Management Act and asked all states to invoke Section 2 of the Epidemic Diseases Act in order to be able to coordinate and tackle the outbreak together. The special cell of the Delhi police, which is probing the cases of violence in northeast Delhi, has arrested Popular Front of India President and Secretary. The office bearers of PFI, President Pervez and Secretary Ilyas, were reportedly taken into custody on charges of hatching a conspiracy to incite riots in northeast Delhi. Superstar Rajinikanth today announced his political party that will consist, he said, of 50 to 65% of youth who have done exemplary work for the society, and the rest of the posts will be given to retired officers and leaders from other parties. Rajinikanth stressed he doesn't want to be the chief minister, just the head of his political outfit, through which he desires to change Tamil Nadu politics, as the state, he said, now has a vacuum for good leadership after the demise of Jayalalitha and Kalaignar. Shiv Sena mouthpiece Saamana has sharply criticized the Congress for the exit of Jyotiraditya Scindia, who's now joined the BJP. There's a coalition of Shiv Sena, Congress and NCP in Maharashtra, which is often viewed as an uneasy tie due to their ideological differences. The Saamana editorial says that Scindia joining the BJP was due to arrogance, negligence and underestimation of the new generation of the young leader of the Congress. In a first case of big-ticket Hollywood celebrities contracting the coronavirus, Tom Hanks and Rita Wilson have tested positive for the disease. In a statement posted to Instagram, Hanks said he and his wife were traveling in Australia when they were tested after exhibiting symptoms like tiredness, body aches, chills and slight fevers. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more.